Gorin Scares, everybody. This is William Pattison, aka Eric Morse, and I want to welcome you to my review of Subways. I know some of you are going to be going, "Oh my God, it's Subways! Ew, ew! Oh my God, girlfriend! Oh no! Ew, ew!" Like, ew. No. I happen to really enjoy Subways, and Subways has helped me to create this lovely, sexy body of mine that all the women love. That's right, ladies. It's Subways that help do that. Because I only go to Sandwich Spot and Ike's once in a while. But, after all, ladies, as you say, you like the full meal, not a beanie weenie. And that's me. So, anyways, what we've got here today on my menu for Subways is I got their fantastic, delectable steak and cheese. Now, take a look at that sandwich. Take a look at that sandwich. Okay, it's loaded with veggies. You got this nice baked bread that they bake fresh every day. You got steak. You got cheese. You got chipotle sauce. You got mayonnaise. You got mustard on there. It is absolutely awesome. And it's a foot long. I got two pieces here. So I got a foot long. And the thing is that when you go to Subway's, you order this steak and cheese. You don't order the big Philly cheesesteak, because the big Philly cheesesteak, they only put one little scoop extra of meat on there. So that's total bullshit. Get the steak and cheese, because it is magnificent, and it is $1 cheaper. So anyways, yeah, let's do the honors and have the first bite on that. Mm. 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 Oh God. Mm. That is a good sandwich. I'm sorry. You guys can sit there and go, ooh no, but it is a good sandwich. Mm. 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 Get one of these, definitely. And also, what they have, and they just got this back not too long ago, are these fantastic, I'm talking fantastic, cheesecake raspberry cookies. These are baked fresh every day. They're not as big as the Sandwich Spot cookies, but they are absolutely wonderful. And I get 3 of these for $1.50, and I am happy as hell with them. So let's have that. Mm. 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 These are fantastic cookies. They actually do taste like cheesecake, and they do taste like they have raspberry in them. So, they're definitely something to get. And, oh, go get Subways, and it's a free, it's a cheap meal. And, it's good for you. Because it's those diet conscious people. And I mean, hell, you have to keep up the sexy body here. So, anyways, that comes to the conclusion of my review. This is William Pattison, aka Eric Morse, telling you keep America strong, watch horror films, and eat your Subway, people.